Alright guys, welcome back to another edition of Weird Wish Wednesday. Sorry my voice is a little bit raspy, but I am getting over one of those summer colds. So today I am trying out a face skincare machine slimming massage device. What is that, you say? Well, from what I can take of it, it looks like it is a TENS unit. I've never tried one of those before. It's a device that basically provides electrical impulses to the muscles in your skin, on your body. And this one is meant for the face. So it came with, I've already gone ahead and hooked everything up. I put a battery in it. So it came with these two little pads like so that are sticky. And then it also came with these two larger pads. So what you're supposed to do is put these on your face. Clean face, that's why I don't have any makeup on. And then turn the unit on and let it go to work. And it is supposed to start stimulating the muscles, which in turn, in theory, is supposed to, I guess, like exercise them for you. So it's supposed to firm up the muscles in your face. Doesn't do anything to skin, should just do the muscles. That's my theory. Let's read the instructions because they gave us some nice instructions. Jeez. They're actually in English, so I appreciate that. It says FA. I don't know why it says FA, F-A. And then description. Never use the product at the same time with the following therapeutic electronic instruments. Internal transplanted instruments such as an artificial heart rate regulator. Life maintenance-based instruments such as an artificial cardiac pacemaker. Label-based instruments such as electrocardiograph. Brand new, modern science and technology, adapting acupuncture technology, easy operation, wonderful combination of different pulses signals will make your HACE, H-A-C-E, which I think they meant face, the true feeling of acupuncture, stroking, manipulation, cupping, massage, and scraping. Electronic pulses stimulate acupunctural pressure points and improves blood flow, alleviates back pains, shoulder pains, and muscle pains. How does it do that if you have it on your face? I think they read the information from a TENS unit. Helps to relax you from stress, remove your muscle tension and tiredness. Very lightweight, suitable for home travel and office use. Could you imagine slapping this on your face at work? Again, I have nothing on my skin. I'm going to start with the little ones, and basically you just kind of peel this off. I'm already collecting fuzz. I'm going to try this around my eye to begin with. Let's see how well these stick. Doesn't feel like it's going to stay, so we shall see. Oops. Let's turn you. Okay. I'm following the pictures that they had up on their website. By the way, this was $6 with $3 shipping. So on the front, and it's going to be really hard for you guys to read this, so let me kind of zoom in really quick. The lights are kind of glaring it, but we have menu for the top button. We have SP is this one down here at the bottom, and then we have off over here and on over here. So let's press on, and ooh, let's press off again. I want to show you what the screen does. Let me give it a second to focus. So you get all that for a second and then it goes away. We have apparently a 15-minute countdown and what looks like a little fist pounding. So I'm guessing that is one of the modes. So over there in this corner, it says speed and it says power in the other corner. Okay, we're connected. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see what it's doing around my eyes. So hold on just a second. Okay, I'm going to try a different feature. Ooh. That's going all tingly, tingly. It's weird. It goes from like a low and then it goes higher and it just kind of tingles out. Can't tell if my skin's doing anything. How could I possibly have done that? I just dropped my scissors right in my coffee. It's making my eyelids kind of close on their own or tighten up when I do this. Okay, I'm going to go up one more. Honestly, this is giving me a little bit of a headache. Okay, this one's starting to fall off. Ah, stop. Okay, we're back on. Let's try that again. Look, I need to hold this one in place. Oh, that hurts. It hurts my head. It hurts like right here when I do it. Ooh. There it goes, and it goes away. It's like it's hitting some big muscle right there. Okay, I can't do this one. I have to stop this. Off. Stop. Stop. Off. Off. For the love of God, off. There. You have to press and hold the off button, by the way. Woo! All right, not so much a fan of these. So I'm going to unsnap them and we're going to move to the bigger one in here. And all you need to do is just, there's a little, show you here. Focus. Okay, do you see this little nub here? It just snaps right on top of that. You know what? I didn't really stop and think about it. I should have used like a toner or something to really remove any oils and stuff on my skin because I don't feel like these are sticking very well. I happen to own 10 units, by the way, for my back. All right, let's see what happens to my face when we do this. Ooh, did you see that? Watch this. That's like hurting the roots of my teeth. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh, I don't like that one either. I'm trying different modes. Top lip. Oh my gosh, this is funny. Smile. Sorry, I'm watching myself at the monitor. Ooh, it hurts my teeth. Oh, ow, why does it hurt my teeth? Hold on, I'm gonna move this off. Off. Damn it, turn off. Okay, I'm gonna move this up just a little bit. Maybe it's too close to nerves around my teeth. Let's try that one. Okay, try number 47. Oh, that's hurting my upper teeth. That's just hurting my teeth. Like the roots of my teeth are actually hurting. Stop, turn off. This needs to have like an emergency out switch. Okay, Let's try going a little bit further out. Ooh, get a headache in one area and tooth pain in the other. And now it's hurting my back teeth. Ooh, feeling it up here in my eyes too. So watch my eyes. See if they do anything. Ooh. Does my face look slimmer yet? Yeah. If you like torture devices, I think you might like this one. If you don't like pain, don't get this. Don't get this at all. I wouldn't recommend this either if you have like any tooth abscesses or anything like that. This would probably put you right over the edge. All right, we're going to turn this off again. Maybe I have them upside down. Let's try this way so we don't have the big one by the mouth. It's supposed to be the little one. See, I'm really giving this a shot. I want a slim face. It hurts the roots of my teeth. My lip. My eye. Obviously one side's stronger than the other. Alright, I can't do this, you guys. I'm gonna suggest you guys pass on this device. Yeah, it hurts. You know, maybe it might work on other areas of the bodies, like a TENS device does, where you could like use it on your neck, your back, anywhere you have like any muscle aches. Those work fine. They work really good, and those pads stay in place really, really well. So I say this one's a major no. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you do that. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any items that you see on Wish that are weird, please leave those items down below. I'll take a look at them and see if that's something I can add to my large collection I already have, because I have things coming in on a daily basis now. So I could turn this into probably a 7 days a week type thing. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I love you guys, and bye-bye.